Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add price alert in Margex application step by step. If you're looking to stay on top of cryptocurrency price movements on Margex, then price alerts are a powerful tool that notify you instantly when a specific price is reached, so you never miss a trading opportunity. So in that case, I'll guide you through this step, so follow along. Launch open the Margex application on your mobile device or visit margex.com on a web browser and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the price alert button at the top of the screen, and then this will take you to this add price alert window. Now, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency pair for which you want to set a price alert. For example, if you want to set price alert for BTC/USD, tap on it from the menu, and then on the next page, enter your target price you'd like to reach and be alerted on. Drag the little slider at the top in order to select your target price, and once you do that, you can also add a note inside the add a note field. Go ahead and type in anything you want in the note tab, and once you do that, go ahead and select if you want to be alerted one time or repeatedly, and finally click on setup at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a new price alert in Margex. Your alert is now active. Margex will notify you via app notification, email, or both, depending on your notification settings. You can check, edit, or delete your active price alert anytime from the alert section on Margex. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.